See that you can't actually see, but look at the difference of my hand because it got different because one hand is shining more than the other hand because this hand has got glue in it. And look, when the glue comes out, when it's dry, it's like this. It's very gentle. It's really, really very gentle. So it comes out like this. It's not actually my skin. Sometimes it might make a pattern, but I don't know. But it made a pattern from this. Look. It's just coming off by peeling. It's not actually my skin. Just take it off. If you put more glue, it won't be like really thin. So just get off that bit. Like that. And show you guys that the big part. Just rip up another finger. Like that. Just see from scratching the finger or scratching something that you put the glue on, and then you disappear out of a little bit and then a little bit of plastic, and then you keep pulling that down gently like this. My hand is really bright shining because the sun is right on it, and when you see from the side you can actually see it. It's like cling wrap, but you can't actually like put it in foods because it is actually glue. Just scratch it off like that. Get the next part off. Scratch it like that and then get it off. Be gentle if you're doing it on your skin because glue is very strong. It might can stick on your skin maybe. You can see that now. If you be very gentle, very, very, very gentle, you can actually like see that it looks like a real bag. Just peel it off like this. I'll show you when it comes to the real biggest part. So it's nearly now one more finger to go after this one. You can see that. Look, now you can actually see it, I think. Just peel it off where you can see it. Like that. If it really hurts you a little bit, just doesn't matter because just when you get a little bit far and you started to stretch it will be okay. Just get that bit out. Nearly out. It's nearly out. Yes, got it out. Now, oh, like that. Just peel it off gently. If we don't do it gently, just peel it off gently. If we don't do it gently, it will just break. It feels like a real skin, but you have to take it off. Otherwise, if you sleep with it and if you forget it, I don't know what's gonna happen, but just take it off. If you know, if you don't know, you just ask your mom and dad. First, get a parent to help you if you're feeling really sticky. Well, just peel it off just like that. Now I think it's better to show you. Or maybe no. I think it's better to show you now. You can see this big part. That's not actually my skin. But when you peel it, your skin actually stretches, but then it actually doesn't stretch. So just do that. Our box is nearly dry, so I just got to do this done. And then I suppose it will be dry. So you can see now, like how it is. I'll just show you. You can see now. It's like a magnifying glass or something. But it doesn't actually make things go really big. So look at that. So cool, isn't it, guys? Just stretch it off a little bit more so you can see it really big. That's a really big one. If you want it really big, you can just do it on big things, like this glue bottle. So just peel it off gently, otherwise it will keep on breaking. And you'll never, ever able to get it off. So be gentle first, and then, look, you'll get a plastic. And just get the last little bit off. Okay. Our box is nearly really ready to dry. It doesn't take really long. It doesn't actually take really long. It kind of takes 5 or 1 minute. So just rub it to get it off. Well, if you don't feel anything, just put it in the sun. You'll look at bright. You'll see it go really bright, and you can actually see where your glue is. So let's just get it down from the thumb and see how big the thumb is. So I can show it to you how it's really stretchy. So let's go and stretch ourselves. Well, not really. It's not actually working. Well, our box is nearly dry, so we're just gonna scrunch that. There are little pieces. Doesn't matter about them. Just peel it off. Just peel it off really gently. If you don't, it will really hurt. Really, really hurt. And if you sleep with it, it might stick onto things. And just stay there, and if you're doing with hand, you know that. So be very gentle with this. You might ask an adult to help you with this, or maybe somebody else, your brother or sister if you have them. Just like that. Just like that. Now our box is dry, so you can see it from the corner. Just start from the corner. Get it off. Peel it off. Now it's okay. Now I can show you that. Look at this piece of plastic. You just do that, and then it won't be sticky. You can see that it's really stretchy, and glues are actually not stretchy. And if you know why it's stretchy, please put it down in the comments. And like and subscribe. Please watch our channel again lots of time. And